Craving restaurant-style creamy chicken Alfredo in just 2 minutes. Let's make magic happen in your kitchen. Now, 1 cup cooked pasta, penne or fettuccine, 1/2 cup cooked chicken, shredded or chopped, 1/2 cup cream or milk, 2 tablespoons butter, 2 tablespoons grated cheese, parmesan or mozzarella, 1 garlic clove, minced, salt and pepper to taste, parsley for garnish. In a pan, melt 2 tablespoons butter, add minced garlic and sauté for 30 seconds. Pour in cream or milk, stir and let it simmer for 1 minute. Add grated cheese, stir until melted and smooth. Add cooked chicken and mix well into the sauce. Toss in the cooked pasta, mix everything till coated, season with salt and pepper. Sprinkle parsley or more cheese on top. Done! Ready in just 2 minutes and tastes like you ordered out.